An MP5 file contains character animation data from Grand Theft Auto V, the movement sequences and action animations that bring the game world to life. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you inspect or modify these GTA 5 animation files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium MP5 file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. MP5 files are animation data files used in Grand Theft Auto V containing player character movement animations, including walking, running combat vehicle interactions and cutscene performances. They store skeletal animation data for the Rage Engine's character animation system. GTA 5 MP5 files use Rockstar's proprietary animation format, storing bone transform keyframes, blending parameters, animation events, and IK constraint data. They are packed within RPF archive files and loaded by the Rage Engine for real-time character animation during gameplay. Commonly, MP5 files use OpenIV developed by OpenIV team. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows cannot display in-game assets or logic, so dedicated extraction tools are necessary. Open the context menu by right-clicking your MP5 file and choosing Open With. Try OpenIV first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error approach is critical for diagnosis. If your MP5 file still refuses to open, stay calm. The MP5 file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, extracting from RPF Archives. Use OpenIV to browse GTA V's RPF game archives and locate MP5 animation files. Navigate through the x64 animations directory structure to find specific animation packages. Right-click and select Extract to save individual MP5 files for inspection or modification. Next, inspecting animation data. After extraction, use OpenIV's built-in animation viewer or import MP5 files into community tools that support Rage Engine animation formats. View the animation playback on a character model to verify the movement sequences before any modification attempts. Finally, modding considerations. Modifying MP5 animations requires specialized knowledge of the Rage animation format. Use OpenIV to replace animations within RPF archives. Always back up original files before modification, and note that GTA Online modifications may trigger anti-cheat systems. Test all changes in single-player mode. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.